The secret beneath the soil. Why Australia has become a global black truffle powerhouse. Australia has rapidly ascended to become the world's fourth largest producer of black truffles, trailing only the traditional European giants, Spain, France, and Italy. While black truffles, specifically the Perigord variety, are not native to the Australian continent, the local industry has seen an extraordinary boom since the first host trees were planted in the mid-1990s. Recent scientific research has begun to pull back the curtain on this success, revealing that Australia's advantage may lie not just in its climate, but in what is missing from its soil: the monopoly effect. Less competition, more growth. A study led by scientists from Michigan State University, published in Applied and Environmental Microbiology, sought to understand why Australian orchards have flourished so effectively. By analyzing soil and truffle samples from 24 orchards across Europe and Australia, researchers discovered a key biological differentiator. The primary driver of Australia's success appears to be reduced fungal competition. European soils, highly diverse, containing approximately 6,575 distinct types of fungi. Australian soils, significantly less crowded, with roughly 4,415 distinct types. Specifically, Australian orchards contained 75% fewer species of mycorrhizal fungi, the specific type of fungi that produces truffles, than their European counterparts. In biological terms, this gave the black truffle a monopoly. With fewer rival fungi competing for space and nutrients, the prized gourmet mushrooms were able to claim a larger share of the underground ecosystem. A sophisticated biological bargain, the relationship between the truffle and its host tree, typically oak or hazel, is a complex, symbiotic partnership. While humans value the truffle for its culinary profile, the fungus serves a vital structural role for the tree. They act as the backstage crew of a high-end kitchen, doing the grueling work of nutrient transport and environmental staging so the canopy can thrive. Dr. Gian Benucci, co-author of the study in this biological bargain, the truffle manages nutrient absorption and soil health, receiving a small portion of photosynthetic carbon from the tree in exchange for supporting the tree's growth above ground. The challenges of trufficulture. Despite the biological advantages, growing truffles is far from easy. Producers like Stuart Dunbar of Yarra Valley Truffles note that success requires a perfect storm of environmental and human factors. Soil structure. Light, fluffy soils are essential for the development of healthy, round truffles. Chemical balance. The fungi themselves help create pockets of alkalinity by drawing calcium and lime from the soil. Precision timing. Harvesting must be timed perfectly. Picking a truffle too early can result in a specimen that lacks aroma and literally shatters upon contact. Human labor. Beyond biology, the industry relies on elbow grease, expert timing, and constant research and development. An unexpected consistency. One of the most surprising findings of the study was the stability of the truffle microbiome. Despite the vast differences between Australian and European soil compositions, the bacteria within the truffles, which are largely responsible for their signature earthy aroma, remained remarkably similar. This suggests that while the environment dictates how much a truffle can grow, the internal biological makeup of the species remains consistent across the globe. Conclusion: Australia's rise as a truffle superpower is the result of a unique biological sweet spot, a landscape with lower fungal competition that allows the black truffle to thrive. Combined with industrious farming and favorable host tree environments, Australia has successfully transformed a non-native delicacy into a cornerstone of its agricultural economy.